Welcome back to the channel guys. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video I'll show you how to uninstall programs on your MacBook whether you want to free up space or remove apps you no longer use. It's super easy, so let's dive right into it. First, open Finder by clicking the Finder icon on your dock. As you can see, this is the Finder icon. Simply open it. In Finder, go to the application folder right here at the left side, and here you will see a list of all the apps installed on your MacBook. Find the app you want to install or uninstall. Click on it once it is selected. So for now, I'll simply choose Microsoft Word. Now drag the app to the trash in your dock, or right click the app and select Move to Trash. As you can see, the option comes right here, Move to Trash. After that, you should empty the trash. Right click the trash icon in your dock and select Empty Trash. This permanently deletes the app and free up spaces. Some apps leave behind extra files in library folders. If you want a cleaner uninstall, open Finder, press Command plus Shift plus D and type /library and check Application Support, Preference and Caches folder to remove leftover files. And that's it. Your MacBook is now free of unwanted apps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick Mac tips, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.